Hey guys, what's going on? Granger Danger 6 here. Inspired by the username Granger Danger 16. Thank you. You really inspired me. Alright, so moving on today. Today I thought I'd show you how to make a wand, but I know I'm not the first one to do that, so it's going to be made of paper, unless if you want to make one out of wood, you would need sandpaper, a piece of wood, and a saw or something to cut the wood to narrow it down to size, or like an X-Acto knife kind of thing. So I'm not making a wood one, but that's what it takes to make a wood one. So we're going to be making a paper one like this. I know, this is paper with hot glue. So the design that I made for this one was a swirl with a ball at the end. It's very hard. It's a hard ball. Listen. That's hot glue. That doesn't sound like hot glue, right? So this is what I did. I put it upside down like this. I held it like this minus all these. So I put a lot right here, like a big ring. It melted down. I took a piece of paper, like say this is the paper, and I went like this. I went like this. I just twisted it down as it went, and that's how I got this design, this spiral looking coolness. And then I put another ring around the bottom, and that drooped down to be a circle at the end of the wand. So now that hardened and it made that ball. For the spirals, I was very careful, tried to make it as perfect as possible. So, of course, I got a bit of paint on it. But before I did everything on the surface of the wand, I painted it this color and filled in the ends. As you can see, the super glue right there. Super glue, I'm sorry. Just hot glue, see? It would be empty and white if it was, so that makes the tip harder so it doesn't break in the middle. So yeah. And then I did the spiral, then I did a longer spiral. This was all 2 spirals. So like I had 2 spirals here, you can see where this one ends, it ends right there where my finger is, and the other one just keeps going and going and going. And that's pretty much it. This is about 15.75 inches. So yeah, we're going to be making something like this, minus the glue and the paint. Just a wand. Alright. What you're going to need is some tape, a scissor, and paper. And a good surface to work on. Nothing too slippery, slidey, smooth. Make it like kind of a rough thing so it sticks to the table a little bit, that way you can roll it up. So you're going to take your piece of paper, any side will do, you know, any corner. You can taper it if you want, that's usually what I don't do. So what you do is take a corner and roll it up, so I'll show you. If I can do this. It's hard to start it, that's what the real problem is. It's hard to start it in a very skinny fashion because usually you end up folding it once. Okay, so you're gonna start rolling it up like that. See, like the little. Alright, I'll do it for you. Because if you have too smooth of a surface, you're going to be slipping and sliding all over when you're trying to roll it, and that's going to be challenging. It's going to end up bigger than you want it to, unless if you like a big wand, like a wider wand. Then you take your piece of tape, so right here, you take your piece of tape, you put it on the end, like so, put it like that. Hold it by the tape, and just twist the wand, that way you can just tape it. So now it's like this. So now we have this part. This is not all that we're going to be doing. So as you can see, for this one, it's a lot longer. So we're going to do the same thing, and then I'll show you what to do from there. So you're going to end up making 2, but not taping it at the end yet.